My dear students, competitive chemistry, good morning. JEE NEET 2025 board exams, all CBSE, NCERT, IPE focus. A student reported the ionic radii of isoelectronic spaces X3 plus, Y2 plus and Z minus as 136 picometers, 64 picometers and 49 picometers. Is that order correct? Comment, please note it. So here you please observe very keenly, X3 plus, Y2 plus, Z minus are isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means they possess same number of electrons. X3 plus, Y2 plus, Z minus possess same number of electrons. They are called isoelectronic spaces. Okay. So you see, effective nuclear charge is in the order. That means the more the positive charge, the more the effective nuclear charge. Positive charge on atom increases, effective nuclear charge also increases. Effective nuclear charge increases, size decreases, atomic size decreases. So effective nuclear charge order is Z effective Z minus is less than Z effective Y2 plus is less than Z effective X3 plus. So this indicates Z effective possess less effective nuclear charge. That indicates more atomic radii. Z effective X3 plus indicates more effective nuclear charge. The more the effective nuclear charge, the lesser the size, the lesser this ionic radii. So hence ionic radii should be in the order or Z minus is more greater than, or Y2 plus is greater than, or X3 plus. X3 plus is ionic radii is very less, Z minus is more, Y2 plus is lies between Z minus and X3 plus. You see the values of ionic radii: Z minus 136, Y2 plus 64,